The collaborative program of TIFAC and SIDBI, launched on November 1st, 2010, aimed at facilitating development, demonstration and commercialization of technology innovation projects.
We formulated this scheme together in 2010, Srijan. Srijan is basically creation. The idea was that TIFAC would support the technology part in terms of assessment, and SIDBI would bring its prowess to do the assessment on financial part.
Srijan is a program wherein TIFAC is working in collaboration with SIDBI, and TIFAC is funding up to ₹2 crore as a soft loan to innovative startups. This is an attempt towards Make in India and towards strengthening our Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
The Khidkiya Ghat at Varanasi recently got its first and world's first floating CNG filling station for eco-friendly boats. It was built by AIPL company that was supported under Srijan scheme.
आपने अपनी खुद की कंपनी एक्वा फ्रंट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के जरिए बनारस के खिड़किया घाट पर दुनिया का जो पहला फ्लोटिंग सीएनजी फिलिंग स्टेशन विकसित किया है वो बेहतरीन है.
Mukunda Foods is a food automation company which has an end-to-end integration with in-house R&D, manufacturing facility and global service network. They are the pioneers and end-to-end solution provider in kitchen robotic space.
We wanted to focus on dosa because dosa is one amongst the top 5 most sold items in the country and the most difficult item to make. It's an art. In 2012, we made a small prototype and the machine came out very nice.
Jajal Medical. They provide 3D printed prototypes to surgeons based on MRIs to help them in their procedures.
We provided a 3D printed cutting guides that were made just for that patient. Implants are standard, right? And then the patients are kind of restructured to fit the implant, right? And we believe that it should be the other way. The implants needs to be designed for that patient.
So this program is basically to facilitate the scaling up of technology innovations which are developed indigenously, and we are facilitating industries, particularly MSMEs and startups, to take up this technology to the commercial scale.
Omni BRX mission is to be the world's leading manufacturer of single-use bioreactors for the biopharmaceutical industry.
The technologies which are there for the vaccine manufacturing, mostly it is scale limited. We try to solve this problem with this innovations like the invention what we have. So now people can manufacture the vaccines at a much larger scale, I think 10 times higher scale.
Promethean Energy builds unique waste heat recovery solutions for industrial and commercial applications.
So we started this company 7 years ago. With a focus on helping factories reduce their fuel consumption. Using a mix of technologies like heat recovery systems and heat pumps, we have helped over 50 companies, large companies, and over 150 factories significantly move on the path towards decarbonization and fuel savings.
Solar panels generate green power. Soiling is the biggest challenge which can reduce efficiency by up to 40%. Water wastage for cleaning is not right. Therefore, waterless cleaning solution.
We're the first Indian company with the indigenous technology. We're the third indigenous design in the world. We've got patents for our design in India and we applied for patents in different parts of the world.
Graphil from Technobital connects innovations, experience, commitment to offer low-cost, simple solutions to global customers.
The focus of the company is, can we provide a very effortless and affordable water purification solution. We have come up with a industrial ultrafiltration membrane which is branded as Graphil. So Tata Swachh is a product which is using our membranes for their water purification system.
Aeron offers an entire range of inertial measurement units for land, sea and airborne.
Our objective of starting out was to make India self-reliant in these technologies. We were funded through the Srijan program in 2013-14. This really helped us in establishing our infrastructure that helps us in calibration and testing of our equipment.
Oil Power Hydraulics Private Limited's developed product is claimed to be the first valve in this range in Indian market.
There are the product named by directional control valve, which is very limited, and only few manufacturers are in the world who are dominating the market. And the demand in India is increasing day by day, like automation and new technology has introduced in the market.
GumPro Drilling Fluids has been manufacturing drilling fluid chemicals since 1983.
In early 2000s, we had developed some products which were in the liquid state like this. But in their extreme winters, it used to freeze. This liquid we converted into a free-flowing powder form, and we named this polvo, which is Spanish for powder. This was innovative out-of-the-box thinking which we've done for the first time in the industry in the world.
Zappa Geo Navigation Technologies is only company in India with the drone autopilots.
Under the TIFAC SIDBI Srijan scheme, we got this at the right time in 2015, thanks to which we have been able to commercialize this product.
Jyoti Zero Rubber is primarily involved finding the solutions and innovate against the wear and abrasion problems in processing plants.
Conveyor idlers get failed very faster. So in Tata Steel in 2003 and 4, the idlers, conveyor idlers was getting, frequent failure was taking place, and because of that lot many of production losses was there. So हम लोगों ने उनके ही आइडलर लेके उसके कोटिंग प्रोसेस को अपने लेवल पे एक छोटे लेवल पे डेवलप किया, जहाँ 3 महीने थे वो 18 महीने का लाइफ दिया. So it was more than 7-8 times more life enhancement was there without changing any prior art.
Brazil is a leading company addressing the problem of rice husk ash utilization.
Every year more than 100 million tons of rice husk is being used across the globe. But when we use this rice husk as a source of energy, the process generates rice husk ash. Now, rice husk ash is a total waste. It doesn't have any commercial application. We have developed a technology, a chemical process to utilize this rice husk ash and produce advanced chemicals from it. And the chemicals which we are producing from rice husk ash are precipitated silica and activated carbon.
Aqua Agri has developed new technologies to cultivate and harvest natural sea plants, these seaweeds.
We are a company involved in the promotion of seaweed cultivation. We work closely with the coastal communities, encourage them to take up seaweed cultivation, provide them know-how and buyback. And we had taken this technology for converting the seaweed into biostimulants for agricultural application and hydrocolloids for the food application.
TIFAC SIDBI has provided concessional loans up to Rs 200 lakh per project at an interest rate of 5% per annum to the MSMEs or startups for innovative technology projects which have either reached pre-commercialization stage or have tested the market and are ready for scale-up through TIFAC SIDBI Srijan program.
We are quite happy that this relationship has led to more than 35 projects being supported till now, and there has been negligible NPA and a basket of new innovative technologies have got validated.
TIFAC would be happy to take on more such projects which is towards innovation support, development of technologies, piloting of technologies and commercialization of these technologies as an innovative product to envision Make in India.
This program has successfully gone a long way in recognizing and encouraging innovative MSMEs to actualize their out-of-the-box thinking.
What started as a small sapling today has grown into a big tree. Now we have more than 3,500 machines in 27 countries.
Srijan program really helped us invest into those equipments which helped us really, where we are today.
We have a couple of installations in US and European region, and we are also planning to export more and more in coming days.
Srijan program really helped us, gave us that cushion of money to try, innovate and develop products, and we could afford the freedom of failure.
We are one of the lightest and the fastest machine in the world. What it means is that you need to deploy less number of machines. The cleaning is fast, so the return on your investment is much faster than any of the equivalent machines that are available globally.
At present, through our different products, we are now serving around 5 million people in India. That is 50 lakhs people in India are drinking water which is coming out of our systems.
We are India's only private company with the indigenous inertial navigation system which is flying on fighter aircraft.
It is like a Sanjeevani for us while we are in very initial stage.
TIFAC has a great technical backing. They helped us through the patenting process, which was a first for us, and now we have our patents in India, Russia as well as USA for this technology.
We have distributors in more than 12 countries as of today, and we are adding more plants in India as well as outside India to reduce the carbon emission and reduce the rice husk ash problem.
For anybody starting out on new journeys or new technologies, they can be a great institution. Whether you get selected or not, there is a lot of insight, because that means you need to do a lot more work.